Hello friends, in today's video we are going to talk about how to work out yield for a discounted security. So the formula for this yield for discounted security is yield DISC, and the variables used are settlement date, maturity date, price, redemption value and basis. Now let us try to understand it by an example. So assuming that bond is issued on 1st of May 2021 with a maturity date of 1st of May 2026. That means the tenor of bond is 5 years. This bond has traded and the present investor has got this bond on 20th of June 2021. That is the settlement date. Redemption value is the final price which the this present investor is going to get on maturity date, that is 100 rupees. The basis is the day count convention, which I have discussed in my previous videos on discount and price discount also. I request you to please have a look at those videos to get a better understanding. This is a US convention and we are using 30 by 360 day count convention. Then price, presently the bond is trading at 87.50 and the discount rate is 2.57. Now we have to work out the annual yield. So let us try to work it out. Go to insert tab function, choose the yield discount, YIELDDISC. This is the formula we have to use. Then put settlement date, put maturity date, put the price. This is the present price 87.5, which you have to put here. Redemption value is 100 and then the basis is 0. So this formula will give me the value, and then you have to convert this cell into percentage. So 2.94 is the effective annual yield for the investor who has got this bond on 20th of June 2021, which is going to mature on 1st of May 2026. I hope you like my video. Thanks for watching.